Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today, let me introduce you this special part here. Yizhet Universal Stylus Touch Pen with 10 replacement rubber tips. This is a 2-in-1 stylus and universal rubber touch pen that's designed for the iPhone, for the iPad, for Samsung Galaxy, and all other smartphones on the market with touchscreen, mobile phones, tablet, and so on. This stylus pen, super light, high quality pen made of aluminium and plastic. The table pencil is 14 centimeters long and weighs about 19 grams. That's not a lot. That's not so much to use it. In computing, a stylus or a stylus pen is a small pen-shaped instrument whose tip position on a computer monitor. It can be detected. It is used to draw or make selections by tapping, while devices with attached screens such as laptops, smartphones, game consoles, and graphics tables can usually be operated with a fingertip. A stylus can provide more accurate and controllable input. The early computer-related usage for a stylus was in 1643 with Pascal's calculator. The device had rotary dials that rotated and accorded with the selected numbers. With gears, drums, and clever engineering, it was capable of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. A stylus was used to turn the dials. Later devices of this type included the arithmometer in the 1860s and the ediator in 1920. The ediator was a pocket mechanism adding machine that used the stylus to move tiny, rigid slices of sheet metal that were enclosed in a case. On the side of a slice of the metal there were numbers that became visible to display these results. It was capable of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. In 1976, there was an hexadecimal model, which allows 4 functions mass to be applied to hexadecimal numbers for use in programming. The first use of a stylus in an electronic computer device was the stylator, demonstrated by Tom Diamond in 1957. And that's really cool. And this is history. But you can have it today, because this stylus pen comes with a soft tip. This protects the display against scratches and leaves no fingerprints on it. The touch pen stylus works with all capacitive touch screens. Bluetooth and power supply are not required, of course, because this is a touch pen. The mobile phone pen is perfect for all types of smartphones and tablets. It can be used anytime and, of course, anywhere. There are 5 touch pens and 5 70mm silicone tips and 5 5mm silicone tips included. So you can choose any color you want to use according to our mood. This all brings us the Yizhet Universal Stylus Touch Pen with replacement rubber tips. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!